Ladies and gentlemen, this is a continuation of the first video using the Dewalt drill, 12 volt. There we go. We've got to have it on the right thing. We had the wrong setting as far as number 1 for torque setting. We need to crank her all the way up to the big dog. There we go. That's where you get your hot tamales out. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is see what we can look at. There we go. My headset can just, set right there, and I don't have to worry about, it being laying on the floor and things like that. And the way I can pick it up right as I'm using it or not using it. And now we get to use some more screws. Some of these short, fat things. Get to make it work. Make it work and twerk. There we go. There's second gear. There we go. Get it down to number 1. It's all about the bass, no treble.